Hello, this is Tiffany with Hustle Heart Design Co. I just want to do a quick video tutorial about my new Photoshop script called the Color Variation Generator by Tiffany, Hustle Heart Design Co. and Purposefully Creative. Let's see. So when you first open the script, you go to File, Script to, and find what location you saved it to open, or you can turn your script into an action. So for me, if I press Shift, Control, and F11, this script will automatically pop up. So if you're interested in how to turn your script into an action to automatically open, I can do a video on that. Just let me know in the comments. Okay, so when you first open the script, you're going to see this tab here, and it's just basically giving you instructions on how to use the script. I'm going to go over everything now. So this is the main tab here. There is the color profile, and the default is about 49 or 50 colors. And you can create your own color profile by adding colors here, or say you didn't want a few of the colors here, you would just select what you don't want and select remove selected, and you can save that as a profile. Okay, let's see, I'm going to save a profile. I'm just going to delete the last few, remove selected, and I'm going to just save it as um, tester. Okay. Okay, so it started at black and it ends at dark magenta. Okay, so let's go to another one, and so we can go back and make sure. Go back to default. Okay, and now we're going to go back to tester. Going to load that. Okay, so that's saved. So whenever you select your color profile, you have to load it, okay, in order for it to populate at the bottom for you to use. Okay, you have the option to select a folder of transparent images, or you can select one PNG file. Okay, so let's see. Um, and the script has memory, so it will automatically remember what you last used and repopulate with that information. When you can also add a prefix and a suffix to your files. A lot of times I add a date prefix. So let me just go ahead and add that in there. Today's the 28th, 24. So all of my files will begin with a date. And if you want to add a color here, you can do that. Let me see. I think olive is, I'm going to add a color. Olive. And it's going to be, I think it's 808, 8,000. Okay, so I don't know if that was okay. That was already in there, and I added again. Okay, so olive 80. Okay, added it again at the bottom because that was one that I added. So that's how you just add it. And then I'm going to. Well, I'm not going to save that color profile. Let's just see, will it create two olives without me saving that profile? Okay, so you can select PNG and JPEG. Okay, so well, you know what? We're gonna start out with just selecting a file. Okay, so we have a rose here. I want to select that, and I'm gonna go to. Okay, so there's nothing we're in the tester output folder. There's nothing here, but once everything starts, there's gonna be a folder that says rose. So let me show you what the rose looks like. There, we're gonna use this rose here. It's gonna just be turned into different colors. Okay, so Okay, so now I'm going to press OK. And once we're done, I'm going to X out this folder because it should open at the end. And it's going to let us know how long it took to process everything. Okay, so it's going. It has this little spinner here. And it's going to tell us how many minutes and seconds it took. And it's going to give us a message about thanking us for using the script at the end. Make sure I had everything closed at the bottom. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. I may add I wish I knew how to add a timer progress bar, but I got to figure that out. Okay. So it's opening up the output folder. Oh, let me go back to this right quick. Okay. It says it took 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay. Okay. So let's open up this rows folder. So 14, 28, 38, 42, 49. So you got 49 different roses. And it added the date prefix on there. Okay. And everything maintained its transparency. So that's just basically how it works. Okay, so I'm going to do an example with a folder. Okay, so, and it's letting you know just basically that how long it took and thanking you for using the script. And you can email me with any requests, questions, or suggestions. And, okay, Control Shift F11. Okay, so now we're going to do a folder. So we're going to go to this tester folder. When you're using the script and you click on the folder, it's not going to show you what's inside it. So let me go to find the tester folder. This is what's inside it. For some reason, it don't show when you click on the script. It's just a heart and a square slash. Okay, so that's the tester folder. And then the output folder is still the same. So there were two files in that tester folder that said heart and square. So it's going to create two folders in the output folder called heart and square with all of the colors. So to kind of save time, we're going to use let me load this one. This one only has 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 colors. Oh, I didn't check for the olive. So when I go back again, I'll see if it did the 2 olives. Let's add olive to here. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 10 colors we should be getting. Pressing OK. So let's go to the output folder so we can see it. Starting on the heart first. Oh, okay, it popped up because it's finished. You know what? It did not create the. Oh, it did. Okay, it did create the. Oh, okay, it created the olive. Okay, so it didn't have to be saved to a profile. So that's great. Great, great, great. Okay, so it created the olive. So these are all the colors there. And that's for the square. And this is for the heart. So it created the olive heart by adding that. Okay, let's go back to the rose and see. Did it create two olives? Oh, you know what? It's not going to create two olives because they have the same file name. So that would be overridden. Okay, okay. So let me know what you think in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel and this video. Um, if you have any more suggestions, please let me know. I have about 4 or 5 variations of this script. This one here, it does everything. There is one of them, it does everything except for, okay, this one does everything that, let's see, you can choose between a folder of images or just a single file. Then I have one where you can just choose a folder, no single file. And I have one where it doesn't give you the option to add any colors. You just have the set 49 colors. You can just go by that. So I probably may offer them at different price points. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much and have a great day.